everyone, I'm Tanya from Accordion Systems. Right now we are at Computex 2022. Although we cannot see you personally, let me walk through with you what we exhibit this year. On my hand, this is ARAID, a non-stop RAID 1 backup system. This system has been sold for over 20 years, probably to all corners of the world and all corners of the industry, including manufacturing, semiconductor, PCBA, assembling, education, and public transportation. This system works with 2.5 and 3.5 inches HDD or SSD, and in the front panel it will display rebuilding progress, air temperature, fan speed. In the back, it supports SATA IDE or SCSI interface. Inside, we provide ARAID EYE PLUS management software. Through the software, you could upgrade your firmware, or you can check the health condition of HDD and check the temperature of ARAID and rebuilding progress. And when necessary, you can also set up the alarm criteria for ARAID temperature, fan speed, HDD hard swap, and rebuilding completion. We also provide SNMP Agent in case you can manage multiple ARAIDs from different locations in one room. Some customers, they want us back up daily, weekly, or monthly. You could select scheduled backup as an option, but please keep in mind there will be no RAID 1 function under these circumstances. So for customers that use our ARAID, they feel that they save extra manpower to back up their important data. And for customers, especially if you still have machines that run with IDE or SCSI drives, this is your best choice because we don't think you can find extra support under these circumstances. And with the HDD hard swap functions, this will keep your machine running without stop when one drive is down. This will maintain your production efficiency and machine uptime. So for more information, please contact us or visit our website. Thank you.